Coleus are very easy to propagate in water. But the problem is, most of the cuttings fail as soon as transplanted in soil. The cuttings rot or wilt because their roots suffocate after moved to substrate. So in today's video, we will learn how to successfully propagate Coleus cuttings in water without rotting issues, and finally, how to transplant those rooted cuttings into soil or substrate without causing stress to the plant. And with this, hello plant lovers, I'm Nishat Subah. I'm a plant expert, and in this channel, we explore the science and care of plants step by step. So if you are interested, then feel free to subscribe with the bell. To begin propagation, choose a healthy stem from a mature Coleus plant. Ideally, select a non-flowering shoot with at least 2 or 3 pairs of leaves. Use a clean, sterilized pair of scissors or pruning shears and make a clean cut just below a leaf node. Remove the lower leaves from the cutting, leaving only the top 2 to 3 leaves intact. This helps reduce water loss and encourages root development. Take a clean glass or a container, as I have taken, and fill 1/3 of the container with water. Then place the cuttings in the container and ensure the nodes are fully submerged but no leaves are touching to the water, because that can lead to rot, and this is why I have filled 1/3 of the container with water. Use clean, room temperature water and then place the container in a bright, indirect light location. Avoid direct sun as it may heat the water excessively and harm the developing roots. Change the water every 3 to 4 days to prevent bacterial growth. But if you see the water is looking clean or have no odor, then you do not need to change, because such cuttings also release rooting hormone in water to root fast. So sometimes changing water frequently can delay the rooting process. You will see root development within 5 to 10 days as these cuttings, and this is the update of my cuttings after a week. Now, how to successfully transplant to substrate. Once the roots are approximately 2 to 3 inches long, the cuttings are ready to be transferred to substrate. Handle them with care. Use a well-draining, light potting mix such as a mixture of coco peat, perlite, and compost. Or you can use porous succulent soil as I am taking here. Now take a plastic cup without drainage holes and fill 1/3 of the cup with clean water. Now, place the rooted cuttings into it. And gradually start adding soil to the water. First day, add a handful of soil into the cup as I am adding here, and leave the plant as it is in a bright, cool place. Next day, add another scoop of soil into the cup, and third day, fill the entire pot with properly inserting the roots into the soil as I have demonstrated here. This slow addition of soil helps to acclimate the water roots to soil and reduces transplanting stress by adjusting the oxygen level around the roots. Try to accomplish this process within 3 days for better results. As soon as the entire pot is filled with soil, make drainage holes and let the excess water drain out. Now you can water the cuttings following the normal watering schedule, which is water as soon as 70% soil feels dry, because Coleus plants like to dry out between waterings. Keep the cuttings in a bright place where the plant would receive 4 hours of bright indirect light for at least a week to prevent wilting, and after a week or as soon as the cuttings stabilize in the soil, gradually shift the plant to more light exposure. Avoid fertilizing until the plant looks fresh and has growth from the top. You can fertilize with nitrogen-rich fertilizer, which will improve the foliar growth. Although you simply can transplant the cutting directly into soil, but this process is beginner friendly. As well as, if you have failed to transplant water-rooted cuttings in substrate several times, then this process is also for you. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it performed for you. If you found this guide helpful, then feel free to subscribe with the bell and share with fellow plant lovers. See you in the next video. Take care.